I have been to Europe, I have been to Spain, but there's nothing quite as beautiful as Malaysian rain. Whenever I'm down, whenever I'm in pain, I love to stand in Malaysian rain. When I feel like I should have been born, I stand in the rain and it keeps me warm. The most wonderful rain that I've ever seen. I'm going to leave Malaysia feeling fucking clean. When I landed in Kuala Lumpur, I said, oh my gosh, we're gonna play a concert and I'm gonna have a wash. I wish we could play for another hour, then I could take another hour-long shower. Oh, when I get home, I'm going to explain just how beautiful Malaysian rain, Malaysian rain, oh Malaysian rain, just how beautiful Malaysian rain. Now it's your turn. You gotta say one, you gotta say